All right, fam. This is my lecture specifically made for male massage therapists. It's about soft skills, so you definitely want to check this one out. It is a snippet of a much longer lecture dropping on my platform soon. This base here that I laid out for you is something I really focused in on. And once I did, I didn't even say I was good at them. Once I started to realize I need to be better at them, returning clients became super easy. And even now, I am not trying to brag or exaggerate any of that. Even now, I do not worry about picking up clients. It's just something I don't worry about. I don't think about it. I mean, yes, there are slow times, even in my career, where, man, I thought I'd be a little bit busier, but those seasons are very short, very short. And I want to say soft skills play a big part of that. And of course, I have a quick fix for you to help out with soft skills. Find a mentor, take targeted training and educational courses, practice what you learn. That's what I did. That's what all my team members did, one way or another. As a matter of fact, I had to take soft skill courses when I was in a classroom educator all day long. Meaning I had a class in the morning, but sometimes I even had a class at night. Whatever the schedule was, soft skills allowed me to become a better educator and also allowed me to become a better massage therapist. The cool thing was, I was not expecting the soft skills I was learning as an educator, a young educator, meaning my first 1, 2 years, 3 years into it, to bleed over so much into the massage therapy profession. So after tweaking a few things, instead of working with students, and used it to work towards clients, clientele, with friends. The very last part of that in green is important. Practice what you learn. Practice with family members, friends, mentors, casual people that you meet wherever you may be. Just practice your soft skills. That's how you get better at it.